Ani mo. Natandaan. Tandaan.
Dito ka na, sir.
Anong yan? 5D. Dulo dyan, dulo. Dulo pa.
Refueling complete.
Siguro matanawin dyan, oh. Dito naman siguro ka dyan. Alampas naman ta. Yan, lampas ta dyan. Oh, 5D naman ta dyan.
May we request
Halika dyan,
all
halika dyan.
guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to assist you. Sa mga panauhin nakaupo sa exit rows, isahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi mo magkakabit sa mga panuntunan ng exit row, ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandali ito.
Yung compartment.
Cebu Pacific is certified under the IATA Operational Safety Audit, or IOSA, the highest standards for safety in the global airline industry. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Make first moments
Ay,
happen.
di mo. Ay, lamig na. Belt. Ng belt.
Hello everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen with you. This is flight 5J982, again that is 5J982 bound for Manila. Only guests for this flight to Manila must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance. May we request all guests to please stow your hand-carried baggage under the seat in front of you or in the stowage bins above you. Should you need assistance, please do not hesitate to call any of your cabin crew. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Cebu Pacific, lipad bilang 982 patungong Maynila. Kung hindi ito yung tamang lipad, maaari po lamang tawaging pansin ang inyong cabin crew. Mangyari po na ilagay ang iyong daladalahan sa ulang kompartamento o sa ilalim ng upuan sa harapan ninyo. Kung kailangan niyo po ang aming tulong, huwag po kayong mag-atubiling kaming tawagin.